Hey everybody, I'm Flip, the first Convercycle of its kind. I'm an electric city bike and a cargo bike at the same time. I combine the best of both worlds. In normal use, you can ride me as comfortably as a common bike and I take up the same space. And Flip, I spontaneously turn into a cargo bike. Isn't that cool? Picking up parcels, sombrero, spontaneous shopping, photo equipment, cute babies, no problem at all. You're having a barbecue with friends and you're running out of drinks, one half soft drinks, one half beers, don't mix them. Cheers. I got a split. Beep, 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 beep. Oh. The usual bike rack is made for normal bikes. A common cargo bike is too long and too wide for it. And flip. But let's have a look at the details. This guy is David, the inventor of the Convercycle. During the last couple of years, he has worked a lot on the topic of mobility, studying industry design. One of the biggest problems, there are too many cars. An environmentally friendly answer is the cargo bike. However, those common cargo bikes aren't easy to handle in everyday life. But I, on the other hand, am compact and can spontaneously unfold, as you've already seen. Another advantage is that I have only two wheels. Now, when you're riding a bike, you steer by tilting rather than using the handlebar. Now, if I had three wheels, I'd have to take much bigger turns. Unfolding is possible for me because I do not have one, but two chains. The rear one unfolds together with the rear wheel. Really clever, don't you think? Did I actually mention that I have a removable battery? Today, David is working together with a whole team of engineers and bicycle professionals to get me in production. And this is where you come in. We need your support for achieving this goal. You want to do something for your health, for the environment, or a simpler everyday life? Then support the Convercycle so we can soon